can't see me, and this thing's gonna roll right over. Okay, if this thing dare rolls over. Hello, everybody. I wanted to talk about something that I haven't really even thought about. Well, I did, but haven't mentioned in 15 years. Horse and carriage on people's doors. Yes, on your screen doors. Has anybody ever seen that before? Comment below. Yep. I'm talking about there was an eagle, flower. It's like a white screen door with a horse and carriage. It's not like I'm horsing, buggy hunting like in a video. I'm not hunting, I'm just looking. You know, it's just fascinating. That's old people's apartments on this side of Brooklyn. Now on my side of Brooklyn, who would know what a horse and carriage on people's doors mean? So if people know what I'm talking about, comment below. I know this is the weirdest thing I'm talking about, but it's not that I like it or don't like it, I just think it's weird, really weird and old-fashioned. But I like weird and old-fashioned. Just remember I got 10 different pair of glasses or sunglasses. And still rocking the new umbrella. It went from 60 and plummeted to the 40s, and the wind is phenomenally crazy.